Hey everybody, Tony Abazi here. Here's a question I want to talk a little bit about today. If I'm self-employed and I need to file my taxes, how do I prepare? Obviously, being self-employed is a great thing. You have a lot of opportunity, but when it comes to buying a house, it's a little bit harder because it's all risk-based, okay? So if you're new in business, we prefer at least 2 years of self-employed taxes. As far as talking about taxes and debt, I am not a CPA, I'm not a licensed tax person, so I'm not gonna get into that. But I wanna talk a little bit about, on the mortgage side of things, what we look for when it comes to a self-employed buyer. We look at income appreciating every year. So your business has to go up. It cannot go backwards. So you cannot file losses like crazy and expect to buy a house. So be very careful when it comes to how your business is going along. If your business is not doing so well, that's a risk. You'll be wasting your inspection, you'll be wasting your appraisal money, you'll waste your agent's time. So please be very careful, talk to a CPA. But number one thing we look for, at least 2 years of self-employed taxes filed and income is appreciating every year. Those are the rule of thumb when it comes to buying a house when you're self-employed. And if you're wondering how much income do I need or how much money do I need to file, that's something you can discuss with your CPA. But the rule of thumb in mortgages, you buy a house 3 times your income. So keep that in mind when you're doing your taxes and when you're thinking of buying a house. You definitely want to buy a house no more or no less than 3 times the net income you make. We qualify you based on your gross, but I would personally take the net income. So 3 times my net income, that's the house I would look to buy. Hope this answered your questions about how do I prepare my taxes if I'm self-employed. Any questions, any comments, feel free to comment below, subscribe, or text me and call me like usual. Tony Abazi, have a great day.